I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Classic. Alright, I have all the parts laid out here, and I've compared them to the manual to make sure that I have everything. Now the first step would be mounting the legs to the barrel. And to do that, you place it up on end on a piece of cardboard, and you use a Phillips screwdriver to fasten the legs. Alright, next is putting the wheels on. And to do that, you just take the axle pin, put it through the wheel and the leg, put the washer on, and the cotter pin. Next step is the bottom shelf, and you just loosely put in these 4 screws, and then tighten them up once you have the grill in the upright position. Now install the lid stopper. Just put it in like that, and screw it in. To install the handle, you just put the screw through the lid, and the bezel and right into the handle. Install the skirt by taking these screws, putting them through the legs, like so. Next, you put the flame broiler in. And you want to make sure this ridge lines up with the holes. Hang the grease bucket. Install the cooking grids. And then you're ready to cook. To start it up, you're going to want to turn this dial to smoke, and then press the on button. The first time you start it up, you're going to want to take a handful of pellets and put it in the fire pot. In a few minutes, the igniter will start the fire. Now you just set the dial to your preferred cooking temperature and you're ready to barbecue.